The Picatrix is one of the most important grimoires from the Middle Ages, a blend of alchemy, astrology, and magical practices. What makes it stand out from other grimoires is its emphasis on harnessing the powers of celestial influences. As this article states, everyone knows the Picatrix. Everyone loves the Picatrix. It's a fantastic text of astrological magic and among the earliest of true grimoires in Europe. In this video, let's take a look at this powerful grimoire and how it impacted the occult world. Originally written in Arabic as Gayat al-Hakim, meaning the goal of the wise, the Picatrix traces back to the 10th or 11th century during the Islamic Golden Age. It's often attributed to the Andalusian scholar al-Madridi, who was a prominent figure in the scientific community of Islamic Spain. While al-Madridi is known for his contributions to astronomy, alchemy, and mathematics, there is no direct evidence linking him as the author of the Picatrix. It's more likely that the real authors of the Picatrix simply attributed it to al-Madridi to lend credibility to the text. This practice was common at the time, with a famous example being the attribution of various grimoires to King Solomon to enhance their authority. Although it became highly influential, the Picatrix isn't an original text. Rather, it's a compilation of knowledge from various traditions, including astrology, alchemy, and magic. But what makes the Picatrix stand out from other grimoires of the time is its detail and emphasis on astrological magic. One of the key aspects of the Picatrix is its blending of astrology with magic. While other texts, like the Hermetic Corpus and the liturgical texts of the Neoplatonists had done this before, the Picatrix provides highly detailed information on harnessing the power of the stars and planets. In the 13th century, scholars translated the Picatrix into Latin under the commission of Alfonso the Wise. This translation spread through Europe, catching the attention of occultists such as Marsilio Ficino and Heinrich Cornelius Agrippa, who integrated its teachings into their own works. And from there, the grimoire significantly influenced esoteric traditions during the Middle Ages and the Renaissance. This brings us to the question, what is in the Picatrix? The Picatrix is divided into 4 books. Each book focuses on different aspects of magical and astrological practice. Book 1, The Universe and the Principles of Magic. This book introduces the foundational concepts of astrological magic, exploring the relationship between the universe and human beings. It covers basic astrological principles and the philosophical underpinnings necessary for practicing magic. A key idea is how the macrocosm, the universe, influences the microcosm, individual human experience. According to this concept, each celestial body, planets, stars, and constellations greatly influence the material world. So, by understanding the movements and positions of celestial bodies, practitioners can use these influences to achieve their desired outcomes on Earth. Another philosophical insight from the Picatrix is the idea of harmony and balance within the universe. Magic works by aligning the practitioner's intentions with the natural order and celestial rhythms. This reflects Neoplatonic thought, where achieving harmony with the cosmos is essential for effective magic. Book 2, The Planets and Their Spirits. This section details the attributes and influences of each planet. It includes their associated spirits and correspondences. This section provides detailed instructions for creating talismans and invoking planetary spirits. These rituals often require specific preparations like fasting, purification, and using incense and offerings. Book 3, The Creation of Talismans and the Practice of Magic. Book 3 focuses on the practical aspects of making talismans and performing rituals. It includes step-by-step guides on selecting materials, timing, and the processes involved in magical practices. When creating astrological talismans, timing is crucial. The talisman must be created at precise astrological moments when the celestial body is in a favorable position. This ensures the talisman captures the desired energy. Different celestial bodies correspond to specific materials such as metals, stones, and herbs. These are chosen for the talisman based on their astrological associations. For example, the sun corresponds to gold, ruby, and laurel, and is associated with kings, rulers, and high-ranking officials. It represents leadership, fame, and success. Therefore, when creating a talisman for these attributes, the practitioner would use gold, ruby, or laurel and perform the ritual on a Sunday. The talisman is then inscribed with symbols and words of power during specific planetary hours. This is where each hour of the day is ruled by a different planet. Performing rituals during the hour ruled by the desired planet makes the magic more effective. This timing enhances the talisman's power. These talismans are used for various purposes, including protection, healing, and attracting good fortune. Book 4: Advanced Techniques and Magical Operations. This final section covers advanced astrological techniques and complex rituals for specific outcomes like protection, love, and prosperity. It integrates various magical traditions to enhance the effectiveness of rituals. One thing to note is that unlike many grimoires associated with diabolical or demonic influences, the Picatrix frames magical practices within a divine cosmology. It emphasizes that these practices have a divine origin, distancing itself from the negative connotations often associated with black magic or demonic invocation. This makes it a more positive grimoire, depending on how you view it. Even so, the Picatrix still involves magical practices, which were condemned by religious authorities. The Catholic Church, in particular, viewed all forms of magic with suspicion and often condemned them as heretical. So, although it contains the divine cosmology and emphasis on harmony in the universe, the Picatrix is still a grimoire with elements that some consider negative. Today, the Picatrix remains a seminal text in the study of astrological and talismanic magic. It attracts interest from those who study it objectively and modern practitioners of the occult. Its influence can still be seen in contemporary esoteric practices. Many occult groups still reference the text when creating talismans and performing rituals based on astrological alignments. These days, modern translations and academic analyses have made the text more accessible, and you can easily find copies on the internet. What do you think? Is the Picatrix still relevant today? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel. It helps our channel grow so we can continue making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.